Hey, BrokerBin, good morning. We are coming to you from our offices here in Rochester, Minnesota, and we are so excited because it is the Austin Roadshow month. It is the month of the Austin Roadshow. So we will see you in Texas in a couple of weeks. Cannot wait. We wanted to kind of give you a few tips before you go. So I am going to ask our account managers who are experts on these events what you need to know before you go. Wallace, what does everyone need to know before they go to the show?
Join the Signal app group to be plugged into the exclusive Austin chat.
Perfect. Sounds good. If you need information on where to do that, you can reach out to your account manager or follow up with me. All right, here we are with Rick. First of all, I'm going to tell you my know before you need to go, a little piece of advice right now, because you can see here, we've got a little bit of a rivalry going on. So Monday night, the reception on Monday night will be Monday Night Football themed. If you're not a football fan, I promise you it's still going to be very fun. But we encourage you to come supporting your team. Go Pack Go. Green Bay Packers. You're going to look better in green and gold anyway, okay? Rick, just so you guys know, is holding the BrokerBin Fantasy Football
Championship trophy. Yes.
Okay. How long has it been since you've had that thing?
No, I've never had one here.
He's never won it before,
No,
so this is
here.
your first.
Not here. Years ago. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. He's
Anyway,
currently the BrokerBin Fantasy Football champion. Okay. All right. I'll get it back this year.
I just beat her team. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So wear your favorite team jersey or colors for the Monday night reception. Rick, what else do people need to know before they go?
Use your app. Okay, you can do everything. It's like your BFF at the event. You can add meetings, cancel meetings, edit meetings. You can find out who's new to the events. And my favorite is if you go in there and you scroll down, there's a little thing called Hidden Gems. This will tell you where there is things beyond the event, like an after party at Foxy's, which I just learned. So good information.
Great information. Yes, great. Thank you so much. Download the app. If you need to know how to do that or where to do that, contact your account manager or myself or anyone here. Okay. Okay. Here we are at Bob's desk. Bob, what advice do you have for everyone that they need to know before they go?
You definitely want to schedule all of your meetings. That's very important. The hours for the meetings are 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, the hours are 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. There is an hour and a half lunch, so just be aware of that from 12 to 1:30. You'll have time to catch up on emails or whatever. So, but definitely schedule the meetings on the app, and you can also do it on your PC. Ideally, if you could have 15 to 20 meetings scheduled over that 2-day period, that would be ideal.
Yes,
so
exactly. Schedule those meetings, people. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to any one of us here. Hey guys, one other thing.
Yeah, I wanted to just remind everybody, please accept or politely decline the meetings. Otherwise, it kind of jams up that spot. After like 3 days, it actually just disappears. So just be aware of that every day, kind of get on it and make sure you're accepting or politely declining meetings with people. Thank you.
That's great. Thanks for that reminder. Okay, we're at Rob's desk. Hi, Rob.
Hello, Renee.
How you doing?
I think I'm okay today.
Okay, good.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're wearing Packers
I'm so
today.
excited. I'm so excited for this roadshow coming up.
Can't believe I'm in the video with the Packers.
Yes, see?
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Okay. All right, Rob, tell us what people need to know before they go.
What I want to do is encourage you to sit down with your account manager. You know, we have a unique perspective. In fact, we're all coming to this show to meet and greet people, to get your business to the next level. And with sitting in the middle, all us account managers get to know things. We can help you connect. We can help provide solutions and answers. We really become consultants, and it's really an extension of what's going on. And take advantage of it when you can. So come, schedule a meeting. Challenge us. Let us see if we can help connect you or provide a potential solution.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Great. All right, you guys, we're so looking forward to seeing you in Austin. Oops, I just moved Rob's desk down. We're so looking forward to seeing you in Austin. Take care, and let us know if you have any questions. See you soon. Bye-bye.